back to our channel, and if you are new here, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. And Shruti, and today we are going to talk about color prediction games, which are being very popular in this gaming world. So if you're thinking to build an application which is not just engaging but also highly profitable, then this video is for you. Because today we'll be covering how these applications are becoming successful and how you can build an application which will give you huge amount of revenue. And let me tell you that if you seriously want to build a successful app, then you can contact us and our team will help you to build an application at a very reasonable cost. Coming back to video, so these color prediction applications are fast, simple but very addictive. So here they attract a lot of customers, a lot of users and players by its easy to understand gameplay. Simply pick up a color, place the bet and wait. So here the bright visuals, instant results and the winning cash attracts a lot of users and they come again on the application or on the game or tournament. So here everything relies or lies behind the genius of the psychology these games use to retain their customers and to manage the whole engagement system. So why do they come back? So these kind of applications or sports are not just only about luck. They are designed to make player hooked with them. So here they provide a small and frequent amount of winning, which makes the player feel that they can generate a huge amount of revenue and they can win each and every time. So here what happens, they uses features like stake bonuses and leaderboards to increase the sense of competitiveness and socialism, which makes the user spend more time and money on their application. Now let's see about their revenue generation sources. Remember, retention is the key. So, the more they retain, the more they spend and the more revenue you generate. Therefore, popular applications use mix of reward system, social features and personalized experience to convert their common or casual users to regular users. Now, let's talk about money. So, popular applications don't just rely on the users, on the loss of the users. So they have a different amount of revenue generation strategies. Here's what you can get. First, in-app purchases. So you can provide power-ups or extra lives on a particular amount. Then we have VIP memberships or subscription. So here you can provide exclusive tips or exclusive features for your users on a particular fixed amount of monthly, quarterly or yearly. Next we have advertisements. So integrate your advertisements with your application. You can give lives or extra bonus when someone watches a particular app. Next we have data analytics. So use your users' data to give personalized experience and advertisements. It will increase your revenue as well as your engagement. So if you use all these strategies effectively, then no one can stop you from building an amazing application, an amazing color prediction application. And if you want to build one, feel free to contact us. And not only color prediction application, if you want to build any kind of application, me and my team can help you from concept to the launch. So friends, that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. And if you have any doubt or any topic you would want us to cover next, please comment below. For further information, you can visit our website which is linked in the description. And if you seriously and honestly want to build a successful app and want to generate a huge amount of revenue from color prediction app or from any other kind of app, feel free to contact us because we'll help you from each and every possible angle. Thanks for watching and we'll meet in the next video.